Have you ever wondered what the fastest birds in the world are? Our feathery friends are an intriguing spectacle. Their speed, a marvel of nature. We'll unveil the top 5 fastest birds and their astonishing speeds in kilometers per hour. Prepare to have your mind blown by the speed of these incredible creatures. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the spur-winged goose. Hailing from the wetlands of Africa, this bird defies expectations with its unique characteristics and surprising speed, darting through the sky at up to 142 kilometers per hour. Who would have thought a goose could be so fast? Swooping in at number 4 is the frigate bird. This stunning creature, known for its long wingspan and hooked beak, achieves remarkable speeds of up to 153 kilometers per hour, primarily through gliding. Indeed, the frigate bird is a master of the skies. Taking the bronze medal for speed is the white-throated needletail. Known for its streamlined body and powerful wings, this bird can reach a thrilling speed of up to 169 kilometers per hour. This bird truly takes speed to new heights. Soaring into second place is the majestic golden eagle. This awe-inspiring bird, with its impressive wingspan and golden brown plumage, can reach breathtaking speeds of up to 240 kilometers per hour. The golden eagle is indeed a force to be reckoned with. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the fastest bird in the world is the peregrine falcon. This is no ordinary bird. With its stunning features and remarkable agility, the peregrine falcon rules the skies. But what's truly unbelievable is its speed. Reaching up to 389 kilometers per hour, it achieves this primarily through diving, transforming itself into a living missile to catch its prey. The peregrine falcon, a true marvel of nature, takes the crown as the fastest bird in the world.